In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a comment using a Instagram reel. So first, go to the home page and find a comment you want to reply to. Open the comment section for this post, for example, and I will look for this person. I want to reply using a reel to his comment. So I will click and hold and click reply with reel. And here I can just let me choose my media here. I'll choose, for example, this one, and here I can reply. See, his comment has shown onto my page, so I can just keep this and click next, share, and there you go. So this way you have replied using a reel. If you go back here, refresh your page, you should be able to see your reel over here. So it needs to load, it takes time to load here. I'm gonna wait for it for a few seconds. Okay, so yeah, there you go. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this is the reply with a reel. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.